I opened the door and met Joey when he came through, and I made a joke right off. He laughed, and he's a really nice person. He's really cool, and his personality is really great.
It started through an electrical outlet in my son's room. He was sleeping on a air mattress on the floor because he didn't like his loft bed, and the air mattress popped from the heat, and so he woke up. And the fire was already pretty big by the time I got to it. I think Joey had a lot of knowledge about how to work with the insurance companies and what forms were needed, and he just provided us with a good timeline as far as like getting permits that were needed, and just kind of helped us through the whole process, especially in the beginning when you're trying to get things going. I watched many HGTV shows, but I already had an idea of like the design and everything, and I just sent Joey lots of photos, photo after photo after photo, and he made it come alive. Okay, so I have been looking at that fireplace since we moved here, and I have redesigned it several times. So I have to say my favorite part about the house is that fireplace, because I just have dreamed of that so many different times. So to finally see what it is now is just amazing, amazing. Actually, the whole thing is my favorite, but the fireplace, yeah.
She stole my words. I was gonna say I like and love everything. Everything is great. The whole house is my favorite place.
It's exciting. It is another transition, and we've had a couple of those, throughout this whole process. But I'm looking forward to settling in and, calling this our home once again.
And the kids are so excited, they can't wait to get home. My daughter wants to come by every day after school, and so she is raring to go. I plan on hiring Joey again for sure for the next project and any other project going forward.